Modern logo design and its significance for new businesses.
In today's competitive marketplace, a modern logo design is not just an aesthetic choice. It is a crucial element for any new business striving to establish its identity and make a memorable impact. A well-crafted logo serves as the visual cornerstone of your brand, conveying your business's core values and personality in a single glance.
Why does a modern logo design matter?
First impressions count. Your logo is often the first interaction potential customers have with your brand. A contemporary, well-designed logo can capture attention, convey professionalism, and encourage engagement. It sets the tone for how your brand is perceived. Brand identity and recognition. A unique logo helps differentiate your business from competitors. It is a powerful tool for building brand recognition, making it easier for customers to remember and return to your business. A strong logo ensures consistency across all marketing materials, from your website to business cards, fostering a cohesive brand image. Adaptability and versatility. Modern logo designs are created with versatility in mind. They are scalable and look great across various mediums and devices, whether on a mobile screen or a billboard. This adaptability is crucial in today's multi-channel marketing environment, ensuring your brand looks professional everywhere it appears. Emotional connection. A thoughtfully designed logo can evoke emotions and create a connection with your audience. Colors, shapes, and typography play a significant role in this, as they can convey specific feelings and messages. For example, a logo with clean lines and a minimalist design might suggest efficiency and innovation, while a more elaborate design could convey tradition and reliability. Professionalism and trust. A high-quality logo signifies that you invest in your business and pay attention to details. This professionalism can build trust with your audience, making them more likely to choose your products or services over those of a competitor with a less polished image.
How helpful are designs and quality graphics in a modern UX website's correct and functional design? Please find more information at the link in the description for our design and logo services by Digital Bee. Thank you for watching our video.